Morning, everyone. It's just coming on 1 a.m. That's my new, well, it's a computer and a laptop. I'm using it as a laptop. I got the new X1 system for the television from Xfinity. It's a lot better than the old system. Can record a lot more films. But what I had to get up and look at was my new rally car. Ain't she a beauty? Fast, on its feet. She's sitting here next to the Slash. Of course, the headliner is the E-Revo. And down below them, we got the Telluride and the buggy. And down below them, we got that fast little guy Ian got me for my birthday, Ian and Dana. The old Slick Rock. Of course, we got the race and the Stampede there. Got a lot of extra tires and stuff. And I got the photography stuff back up on the old rack. There's a stand for this camera. There's Devin McCoy on a slideshow on the main screen. That's my workhorse. That computer there. And of course my touch screen here. Got another television also on the X1 system. Yeah, I got the shuttle pictures, the Anita, the Pinta, the Santa Maria. We got the bathroom in here. Here's my other television. Had to move the coat rack in here. Of course, that carries my hats and my knives. And my other television for the bedroom. Also on the X1 system. It's a picture of all our nieces and nephews and brothers and grandnephews. There's the old Chrome sitting there. There's my table dedicated to my mom. The things she left me. A couple of porcelain figurines, a bell she used to ring when she wanted something. There's all the stuff left from the core. All my old knives and pictures. My unmade bed that I just got out of and I'm going to get back into. I took the other rack the cars used to sit on. Brought it in here to put my day-to-day shoots in. And all the tablet stands for when they're getting charged. And the rack before that holds some of my other day shoes. And my overnight bag. And all these clothes up here that fit a 245-pound guy are going to get boxed up and given to Goodwill. Because I ain't 245 pounds anymore. Here's the kitchen. Here's my first check from Google. We don't see many of those anymore, do we? No. Well, we gotta go shopping, huh? This is my family out here in California. And Ian and Jack. There's Chrissy Ian and Dana, myself when I was a little heavier. Jack's a big boy now. He's 21, 22 years old. My brother Steve. Yeah. I guess that's a tour of the house, huh? There's the birthday card I got from Lumpy and Morton. That's not Morton, but it's supposed to be a picture of him. Well, here's my briefcase. My big talk phone. That's me and Jack at the same age. That's when I was around 21. That's him at 21. And this is me saying thanks for dropping in at 1 o'clock in the morning. And I'll catch y'all back on the tube. Y'all have a great weekend now. I'm gonna hit the track with my Slash early tomorrow morning. Well, early this morning. And then I'll come back and play with my rally car out front. Bye now. Thank you for your participation.